Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to fix your microphone not working on iPhone after the iOS 17 update. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is just simply restart your phone. You can do this by volume button, and as you can see here, slide to power off, just click on it, and after that you can restart your phone again. So the second step you want to do is go on your settings. Then you can go to passwords, privacy, and security. And over here on microphone, you want to make sure that all of your applications are turned on so that your microphone isn't bugging out. You can also go to your general and then click on transfer or reset iPhone, then reset all settings, and this will also ensure that your microphone is working properly. So these are the three steps that you can do to make your microphone work after the iOS 17 update if your microphone is not working. So if you guys have any more questions, then put it on the drop box below and I'll be sure to answer it. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's Millie signing out. I'll see you in the next one.